So here is how to remove footer on Wix website. It's super easy and simple. Make sure watch the full video. So first open your Chrome browser and open your website. So you will be directed here. So click this option, edit the site. Here is our website. So scroll down and there is footer. You can change the color of your footer. Here you can see there are many options so you can select your footer by double click. And from here you can edit design or color of your footer, or you can drag it to make it small or large as you want. You can see there is no option to remove the footer. We would have to go the Pages and Menu button and go on the pages whose footer you would like to remove. So click the 3 dots on the right of page, then select Setting and go to Layout and select No Header and Footer to remove both header and footer. You can see it's disappeared. So you can see there is no footer. Also, if you are using Wix Editor, you need to click on Save every time you make a change. Make sure click on the Save. So that's how you can remove footer from your Wix website.